Hi friends, we all know about paper printing where we print our artwork, documents, designs on a printing paper. Now just think that you have an object in your mind and you can print it, actually the object. Well yes, that is 3D printing. Today we are going to talk about 3D printing. With 3D printing we can produce three-dimensional objects, which is not just exciting but also useful too. It's basically product printing. If you have an object in mind, you can create the object with 3D printing. Now 3D printing is a technology that lets you create physical object from a digital model. In 80s, this started under the name of rapid prototyping because this was the purpose of the technology, to prototype faster and cheaper. Now what are the uses of 3D printing? Now 3D printing is being used in aerospace, automotive, for art, for creating jewelry designs, for research, for education, for hobbies, and there are many more other things for which 3D printing is being used. Now how is this 3D printing done? Now 3D printing is done, it's also a form of a printer. Now it's called additive manufacturing, because unlike the traditional subtractive manufacturing, 3D printing doesn't remove material, it adds layer after layer. So let's say you have an object in mind and you want to print something. So first you'll have to have a 3D design of that object which you want to create. So this you can create in a CAD program, or maybe you can use a 3D scanner. And if you don't have any, you can always download it, you get it online, such objects. You have to decide on which object you need to print. Now once your design is ready, all you need to do is import it into a 3D printer, insert the material. The 3D printer will then turn your design into a particular digital file ready to be printed into a physical object. Now what are the advantages of 3D printer? First of all, it saves time as well as money. The ideas you have develop faster. And because of this 3D concept where you can print the model, what you're having can be printed, you are saving on the conventional mode of preparing the model or manufacturing the model. So that way you save time as well as you save money. Then with 3D printing, a product can be personalized, customized as per your requirement and uniquely fit as per your need. 3D printing is also considered eco-friendly as it produces less waste, because as there won't be much of manufacturing happening and things will be done into 3D printing, the modeling will be done into 3D printing, it will also be eco-friendly. There will be constant improving of a particular model or particular product based on the feedback what you are receiving from the customers or from the people around, and limitless possibilities you'll have of building up your own imagination. You imagine and you can produce a particular object. Now what is the material that is being used for 3D printing? Well, there is a wide range of material which is being used, from plastic, resins, metal, ceramics, wax and many more, which is being used for 3D printing. So various 3D printers as well as 3D printing services are available in market, which we can use to grow our business or which we can use to create our imagination. So don't you all find this interesting? Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Take care and stay blessed.